Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel, Val Eurosport. I'm the owner, Valentine Cristia. I have a new addition to present to you, a 2007 Maserati Quattroporte. Very rare car. Comes in Oceano blue over light gray interior. Sport GT car, very hard to find. Look at the sparkle in this paint. It's just beautiful. It just reminds me of the Mediterranean Sea. 20-inch wheels. These are the Sport GT wheels with special order red calipers, Pirelli P0 tires, brand new. Staggered setup, 245, 3520 in the front, and 285, 3020 in the back. Just beautiful car. If you look in the sun this way, you can see the sparkle going along the whole car. Look at this beautiful car. Just gorgeous. There are two big reasons, in my opinion, alone that you should buy this car for. Number one is the thunk you get from this door. Listen to this. Solid. It's a solid thunk. Look at that. The second reason is just the exhaust note. Just to hear that exhaust gargle. It's just beautiful. Beautiful noise coming out of the car. Probably the most beautiful noise this side of Ferrari. Another thing, of course, is the exotic and the looks. This has got the Italians, the artists, the brothers Michelangelo and Rembrandt and everybody else. Molto, molto bellissimo. Bella macchina. Let me start up the car just so you can hear that noise that the exhaust makes. So let's go around a little bit and present the cars. This is basically a sports sedan. I mean, it looks like a sedan, but it acts like a supercar. It's got 400 horsepower, 4.2 liter engine, V8. Normally aspirated V8 engine. Very generous legroom in the back. You can control the seats, you can recline. It's got a nice headrest here, and you have controls, carbon fiber trim, very elegantly put together. It's a special car. It feels special to drive in a car and even be in the car in the back seat. I'm 6 footer and I have enough legroom in the back there. In the front you have the racing pedals, aluminum racing pedals. Steering wheel with perforated leather, and all the controls there to make it feel. I mean, the feel of this Ferrari, of the steering wheel, looks like a Ferrari with these buttons here. This is your Ferrari, poor man's Ferrari, I would say. Nice Bose sound system. During the Jeep Celebration event, you can drive a new 2017 Jeep Compass Latitude for just $139 a month. Beautiful car. Let's pop the engine in a bit just to see what it looks like. She ticks like a clock. Look at that. Ferrari design engine. And see what she feels like on the road, outside and inside. Alright, well, we've seen the car from the outside. We walked around. We saw it from driving away. Let's take a ride in the actual car and let's see how it feels. This car has two modes, sport and normal mode. Right now it's in sport mode, and you can sense the suspension is firm. The shifting points are delayed, so you can get up to speed faster. It feels like a track car almost. If you want to have a nice civil ride, you just push this button again and it turns off the sport ride. And you could feel like it already upshifted. By the way, this car has shift paddles, 6-speed automatic transmission. Here's the 6th gear right there. I can switch gears manually with the shift paddles. It even tells me when I should upshift or downshift. So now this is non-sport mode, and you can tell that it's nice and soft and more appropriate for a Sunday drive, you know, enjoying the scenery kind of thing. Car has navigation, has this is a mode to drive in the winter, although I don't suggest driving in the winter. It's got a nice sound system, sound system. This car also have a nice expensive addition, which is the K40 radar detector with 2 modes, city and highway driving. You do need this because you're going to catch yourself driving 100 miles an hour and you won't even know it. Very nice solid ride. I just love holding the steering wheel. Just the right diameter, feels good in your hands. It's a very nice sedan. I mean, this is... And I noticed somebody just taking pictures of the car while you're driving on the road. Don't be surprised if people take pictures of you. It's that classic car. Thank you for giving us a chance, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can visit our testimonials. You'll see that we strive for total customer satisfaction for before and after the sale. Give us a chance. Call us online at valeurosport.com or call us on my cell phone 919-624-3033 or 919-973-8900. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.